Just here
Welcome.
chilling, just trying to grow some healthy food, just trying to be healthy, man, because these days we don't want to be spending money and time in the hospital. We're trying to eat as healthy as possible. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to grow our food as healthy as possible. So now we're gonna start to use organic. Let's get to the organic, guys. Let's plant our food. Let's stay away from a lot of different things that we really don't need to use. Let's feed our plant with natural compost. You know what I'm saying? If we want to eat healthy, we got to grow healthy plant, healthy food. If we want to grow healthy food, we got to use organic compost. We got to try to stay away from too much chemical. I mean, if we decide we don't want to go to the supermarket, why we don't want to go to the supermarket? Because we don't understand what they're growing, we don't know what they're growing, we don't know what they're putting in the soil. So if we decide to plant our own food, let's go organic. Let's make this happen, guys. Let's make this happen. I understand a lot of people do not have the access to the kind of resource that you could create your own compost. Hello,